Hello, Liam. Hi there, cutie. Can we get right over there? Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. It's Mommy. Hi. What are you pointing in my face? What is that thing? Huh? Right? Oh, there's a little smile. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. But you don't look like your brother. No. You look like a Liam. Yeah. You talking? What do you want to say? What would you like to say to everybody? Well, you are in a good mood tonight, aren't you? Much better than last night. Let's see. Look at all that hair. Look at all this hair. Let's see. She's 4 weeks old. Almost 4.5 weeks old. And we got some big cloud hoppers here. And little monkey toes. He's grabbing right onto things. Yeah, you do. Okay. Well, we're just gonna get to bed, so can you say good night? Say good night, Liam. Say good night, everybody. You gonna smile? No? Okay.